Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and I am playing with beads again. So I'm going to make another bead soup piece of jewelry, but this is going to be a bead soup memory wire bracelet. I'm just going to pull out my beads and just randomly put the beads on the wire. There's no right or wrong way to do this. I don't have to worry about a color scheme or anything. I've never made one that didn't look pretty. So let's just do this. Now, memory wire, you need a special cutter to cut it with. It's a very sturdy wire because it keeps its shape. That's why they call it memory wire, because you can pull it out and it's going to go spring right back into shape. That's what makes it so great for necklaces. They also have it. They have it in bracelet sizes, necklace sizes, and even ring sizes. So if you're a beginner, this might be a good way to get started. But you do need to have some of these memory wire cutters, or you can use them. You could use regular scissors, but you're going to tear up your scissors with this wire. And I always start by making a little circle at the end to hold your beads on. So all it is making one circle at the end of your beads, put all your beads on, and then make another circle when you close it off. This one, I think I got about 6 rows of 6 circles. So that's going to make about a 5-row bracelet. So let's get to it. The bracelet is finished, but I'm going to put a little dangle on each end of the bracelet. So I'll make some dangles and just attach them to the end. We're all done and we have a cute bracelet. This is awesome. I'm very happy with it. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'm halfway there, so if you haven't subscribed, would you help me get there? This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.